everyone, welcome back to SoCalerific. We are back here today at Universal Studios Hollywood. I know I usually only come once a week, but there are some updates that I wanted to check out. It's not going to be a super long video, but I just wanted to show you what they have currently. So come along and let's go. It looks like the Universal Studios store has gotten rid of the Jurassic Park Dominion wrap, and they now are promoting the Minions A Rise of Gru. Okay, so we just finished riding the studio tour. Again, that is the first thing we did because I'm telling you, the lines are just mostly a walk-on. One update that I did see was a Killer Clown Maze. They did make more progression even from when I came like a few days ago. That one is coming along pretty fast.
Whose name is worth more in Scrabble times? Uzo Aduba or David Oyelowo? Uzo Aduba.
Okay folks, so just like those artists that you saw on your screens, we too are going to play a little game.
Also, in the Nope section, the sign is up. Last time it was on the ground when I came. It's hanging, and also I saw like, was it a bloody pig? Some bloody animal, but that is crazy. Definitely giving me like the Horror Night vibes. I don't know like if this set is just gonna be built for like the studio tour all the time. Is it only for Horror Nights? I just feel like it's a lot of money just to be built only for Horror Nights. But we shall see, but definitely a lot of progress there. And the last update that we did see was the Halloween house facade, and I couldn't really see much. Kind of looked the same from that angle, so I'm not sure if there's been like so much more progression on that.
What are y'all on here? Alright guys, listen to some blues riff and beat. Watch me for the changes and try to keep up, okay?
Okay, it's 11 a.m. Look at everyone coming to the studio tour now. Big crowd. Okay, while I'm here, I decided to check in on Super Nintendo World. And I don't see much like difference from last time from this angle. But this is the current view of Super Nintendo World. And of course we have to look at the Legends Collide Maze. Again, not much differences. But I also wanted to see if we could take a look at the Killer Clowns, well, rumored Killer Clowns Maze over there, just to see what we could see as well. Okay, so they did release a new Halloween Horror Nights shirt because there was an announcement yesterday, and this is a design, The Horrors of Blumhouse. The only thing is that they do not have the ornament right now. They only have the Halloween one and the Legends Collide. Like I said in my last video, it is definitely heating up here at Universal, but I do appreciate like all the fans they have now with like the misters, because they do work. So if you're feeling hot, go stand by one and you'll feel much better. And don't forget to drink water, very important. Hello! I'm so happy you're out today!
It is a beautiful day in Paris. It's a little hot, no?
Yes.
I hope you're staying good.
I am, thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
I always love when she's out. I haven't seen her in a little bit. I have been coming, but she hasn't been out. But I'm so glad she was out today. I am back here at Super Silly Stuff because I wanted to show you guys a new Minion popcorn bucket. Look how cool this is. Here's the front of this popcorn bucket. Look at this vehicle. It has so much detail. I even like all the stickers. And I love when it has like Universal Studios branding. Even this, like the Super Silly Funland. That's so cool. Let's take a look at the license plate. Yep, and it does say Top Secret. But like I said, the detail on this is super amazing. Look at these Minions. That is so cool. And of course, I like to look at the straps. The strap's pretty awesome too. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you with one hand how to open this popcorn bucket. This is where your popcorn will go. That is so cool. Okay, so this popcorn bucket, it's a little more on the pricier side compared to the other ones, but it has so much detail. It's a Minion cart for $38.99. Okay, it seems like Universal is getting ready for the Minions Rise of Gru. Okay, and just to let you know, if you guys wanted to see that Birdie Minion collection, it is gone. It is no longer being sold here. They said it didn't sell out technically, but it's like done. It was just a limited amount of time, so you're not gonna find it here any longer. They still have this Minion pail if you're interested. This one was like from last year, $25.99, but they did get a new item, and that is this Minion Lounge Fly. Look at this, this is super cute. So here is a better look at the Minion Lounge Fly. Here's the details. I like his little braces, and it does come like with little arms and legs. Can you see that? That is so funny. So if you're a Minions fan, here is a collab loungefly. Let's see, this is what the zipper looks like. And of course we gotta see what the inside looks like. Okay, it's just like Otto, the Minion. Different poses. What I'm liking about the newer loungeflies is now they're adding like this little component. So if you want to bring like a little water or something on the side, because I definitely need that when I get a backpack. Let's take a look at the back of this loungefly. And it does have this little design of Otto. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Adorable. Yeah, from afar I thought this was a baby bib. It's actually for like the dogs. How cute. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. Currently promoting the Minion movie. I don't know if you can see it with my camera. There it is. July 1st. Wow. Okay, tonight they are having a Pride event. I have not been to this event, but I hear a lot of good things. They say it's really fun. You have to pay separately to attend the event. As you can see, they're already setting up for it. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. And they also got like this new Minion one. Let's activate it. That looks cool. And it's currently $15. Okay, and behind the registers, they have like these two huge Lego Minions. They look so cool. Look like they were a ton of work. So yesterday they did reveal a new maze here at Halloween Horror Nights. And I feel like a lot of people didn't predict this one. But it is the Horrors of Blumhouse. They're gonna do 2 films in one maze. The first film will be Freaky. That movie came out like in 2020, and the second one would be The Black Phone, and The Black Phone has just came out of theaters like I think yesterday. I have watched Freaky like just a little bit. I didn't really like pay attention. I'm gonna go rewatch, but I definitely want to watch The Black Phone because that looks pretty good and I am a fan of Ethan Hawke. In terms of another Blumhouse maze, to be honest, the Happy Death Day one, that one wasn't my favorite, and they did have another one in the past. To me, those aren't like as memorable as others, but hopefully this year it might be a little better. Okay, so I also stopped in the Super Nintendo store, and they did restock like on the Mario hats and the Luigi. When they opened the new store, they didn't have these hats yet, but they have finally brought them back, and also they restocked on the Yoshi cap. So that is pretty good that they are restocking. Hopefully they bring in more. I'm looking forward to the Toad one personally. But Yoshi is my favorite character, but I do like that little mushroom hat the most. I don't know, I think it's just so cute. So I wanted to show you the progress on the Water World like area maze, which I believe John Murdy said that will be the location of the Horrors of Blumhouse. So that and the new facade that they said he's gonna have. Usually it's like a theater facade, but he said this year there wasn't enough room, so they are definitely changing it. I showed you those other tiny backpacks in like a video from a while ago, but they did get this one in. This one's newer, and it's a Hogwarts one, and you can see like it has an emblem of all the houses. Don't want to commit to one house. They also have this one so you can represent them all. And this is $65. All right, and just like that, we are done for today. I just came real quick, like I said, just to get some updates, but we will be back next week to get some more. So for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.